everybody, it's Tanya Atomic again, and today we're unboxing Medusa's makeup. So this is Medusa's Makeup's October, and it's supposed to be their goth, glam, spooky, romantic box. And it's different because it comes in a bag. Usually it comes in a box about this size. But it's in this big bag. Okay, so it looks like, so their box is in here. So this is usually what you get. But it's in this big bag, so it looks like there's other stuff in here. Oh, okay. So I ordered a couple extra things, because with the subscription box, you can order extra things to be shipped with your box. Oh, interesting. Okay. So here's some, makeup wipes. 3 makeup wipe samples. And those come in handy. I don't usually use makeup wipes unless I need something sort of on the fly, but they do come in handy when on a film set because you can't use stuff again. You have to sanitize in between, or you can't send everybody to go wash their face kind of thing. So makeup wipes work really good on a film set when there's a lot of people and you have to do turnover kind of thing. At home, I have like a makeup eraser thing that I use so that I don't have to use as much product. I don't have to throw away stuff. So that's really nice. But definitely like while traveling or on a film set, well, actually while traveling I can use the makeup eraser, but definitely on a film set or when you need things to be more hygienic and sterilized between people, that it's good to have those. So I ordered a couple extra things because they were on sale. These were $3 each. And the first thing is this cute little compact makeup mirror. Okay, so I seriously don't know how to open this. It's really, really cute. It has this Medusa's makeup. It looks like it's actually raised on top in a hard plastic, but I cannot for the life of me open it. I already split 2 of my nails trying to open it. And I can't. There's a little latch here and I'm trying to open it with that. And it has like these 2 little things. I'm trying to use those to open it. And I cannot get it open. So it's supposed to be a little mirror in there. I can't open it. I'm going to keep trying and maybe I'll update you guys. So the other thing I got was Blue Moon lipstick. I love the packaging. I keep these sometimes because they're super cute. It looks like Art Nouveau. And inside, you get a square lipstick. It says Medusa's Makeup. And this is Blue Moon. And this was $3. So I believe that these 2 items were on a clearance sale. And hopefully I can open this mirror up at some point. Okay, so here is the box. You open it up, it says cruelty free. All their stuff is vegan and cruelty free, and that's one of the reasons why I really like them. They're also an indie brand, which I like as well. So here is the flyer for October. That is so pretty. Here's the stuff in it. I'm going to put it aside for now. So it has black tissue paper for this month. And the first thing is a vitamin C facial toner. So that's nice. Oh my god. There's a spider on my hand. When I picked it up, there was a spider on my hand, so that was funny. But here's this toner and little spider confetti. That's a nice touch. The next thing is Glam Rock eyeshadow. That's pretty. There's a spider. That's so funny. This eyeshadow is... Oh my god, there's more spiders flying out. It looks like it's black with gold, which is super pretty. Oh my gosh. Whoever packed this had a lot of fun. There's a spider right there. So this is Glam Rock Eyeshadow in Rocket. And it is black with tons of gold. That is really pretty. It's like a matte with just tons of little gold. That's super pretty. So this is the Witch Lash in Bebe Gato Negro, which I'm gonna guess is black. That is a small brush. And the last and the final thing is a lipstick, again with a spider. That's funny. In Chica. I'm going to have spiders all, I'm going to have to pick these up. Ooh. That's really pretty. That is a purpley maroon, and it looks similar to what I have on. Slightly different. This is, I think, a little red grayer. And this is a little purple gray. Obviously, I like colors like this, but I do like this, and I'm going to definitely wear it. So we got this toner, and this guy here. So definitely not bad for, it says it's a $42 value, and this box is over just over $16. I am thinking about discontinuing some of my subscription boxes just because I don't have tons of money, and right now I have Ipsy and Medusa's makeup, and I have a 3-month, which I've already prepaid for BoxyCharm. So I'm kind of hemming and hawing. What do I want to do? Do I want to keep all of them? I just feel like I don't have enough money, and I have a lot of products. They're all good values, I think, when it comes down to it, but just thinking about it. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Give me a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.